Hello all battery fans. Today I would like to introduce all of you my team, my Suzuki team. Here's the boss, Davide.
Ciao.
Here we have the wheels and all the Michelin engineers.
Hey.
This is Fernando, my tire guy. He always tries to have the tire ready in the best conditions. And here we have all of the Japanese engineers trying to develop the bike, to make the bike faster and better. And here is my team. So this is Jacques, one of my mechanics.
Hello.
Ray, another mechanic.
Hello.
Sada-san, electronic guy. Claudio's the other electronic guy. Tomo Kane, the father of the bike almost. And here is the big boss, Ken-san. He's the project leader. And the last one is my last Japanese mechanic. Say hello.
Ciao.
And my two ladies, the GSX-RR. I hope you guys like my team and see you soon. Ciao.
Battery Energy Drink keeps you going.